Grace, and I'm a content creator that is based here in Owerri. If you're my returning subscriber, of course, you already know that this is a special vlog because you can see that the background is different, and then of course you know that on a norm Grace cannot be like this on a normal day. So guys, today is a very good day for we, the FoodTech department, HND finals. Yeah, one of us is getting married once more. Yeah, yes, and we want to go to her traditional marriage, okay? And then I just wanted to start this vlog here. There are other things, of course, you know, from the title you're going to know. Okay, so let's do it once more, right? So the traditional marriage was to take place in Anambra State. That was after Ekulobia, guys, and we just arrived the venue. This was I and my classmates. We actually had an ashebia. We sold an ashebi just for her. And when we came here, they have not even started anything. So we just had to wait. And you know, as we were waiting, everybody was just happy. When these people they come back in me, and I thank God I got the day. Say God no, as we kept sitting there and nothing was happening, we decided to take some photo shoots. Guys, you can see the environment, the people that did this decoration, they actually did so well. The color blending and just the stuff that they used for the decoration everywhere was just so fine, so beautiful. Even this mortar and the pistol, then the chair, the flowers, every single thing that they used for this decoration was just cute. Plus her picture, this is my cosplay that is getting married, and that of her husband to be, okay? Everything was so beautiful. And then guys, can you see this? This is my first time of seeing this mortar and pestle, a kind of decoration. It actually looked very unique and cultural. And these are my class girls, guys. Check out these girls. They are so beautiful and cute. Like I said, we decided to go for photo shoot. Everybody was just snapping picture up and down here and there. This MC made everything fun. He was dancing and telling us to come and pick him. Let us just come and pick him. Everything was fun. I said previously, this traditional marriage was to take place somewhere in Anambra. That was after Ekulobia and Oko. There's another village. That was where we went, guys. And we stayed till almost 4 p.m. She wasn't coming because they were, you know, a kind of paying her bride price. So we decided to eat first. Imagine that kind of thing. They've not even started currently. We ate. Then after our eating, guys, we went to present her a gift. And her reaction was priceless. This was the gift we made for her. This was our pre-wedding picture. We just did it for her. Hello. See fine again. See fine again. See fine And then her first outing, it was the bomb. We managed to just stay for this, guys, because after this, her first outing, we couldn't stay long. I think we left there a few minutes past 5 p.m. baby girl continued with her dance. Everyone danced around her and all of that. It was so fun. And this will tell you, Lucire, happy married life, okay? And guys, after that, have you ever seen Nigerian party jollof rice? This is what we are cooking currently. And guys, you will not tell me that the taste is just like a normal jollof rice. No, party jollof rice always have a unique taste. This is a continuation of a video that I put up earlier before now of our outreach, where we, a kind of prepared 4,000 plus packs of food and shared to people on the street. Guys, this was the making of that rice. And guys, you can see there were different pots on the fire. This was this particular pot, and this is another pot, guys. And as we were cooking, some other people, there was this division of labor. Some people were a kind of putting in the food, other people were covering the food, putting in spoons, then some other persons were kind of packaging the food in nylons and all of that. This just to make sure that everything went well. And I'm glad I was part of this. Not just that I'm glad I was part of this. If you watched that my video, I said if you have an opportunity to help anyone, please do help. You don't know who is going through whatsoever. Your food can go a long way in helping someone out there, okay? See this girl, or these girls, their own was just to put it inside the nylon. Then someone's work is also to pack it in a sack. But guys, we made lot of food, and just like in every other Nigerian party, you always see, can you see my baby girl? She wanted her food. Look at what we're using to eat food. She didn't want anyone to see it, but after everything, guys, you see, we had to eat together like one family. And after the eating, we continued with what we were doing. And at the end of everything, God, it became a success. Please, it's just me telling you, if you've not watched that video, you need to go watch it, because this experience changed my life, okay? And I mean, every one of us, we did it like one big family. And I know that God will meet every one of us at the point of our needs, because we are not doing this because we had enough. We are not doing this because we are better off than those people. But we just had to do it because that's just what we needed to do. That's for me personally. And I know I also spoke with some of them and they said the same thing, guys. And this is now the sharing of the food. It wasn't easy, but all glory to God. So if you've watched up to this moment, why don't you like the video, subscribe to my channel? Thank you so much, and I'll see you any other time I upload a new video. Bye.